Good evening, everyone. Myself, Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in SIRT Pharmacy. The subject name is Pharmacology Second. The topic name is Thyroid Hormones, its analogues and their inhibitors in 5th semester. Then in thyroid gland, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH and thyrotropin. Thyroid hormone consists of 210 amino acid, 2-chain glycoprotein and 22% sugar and molecular weight about 30,000. The thyroid gland is situated in the neck in front of larynx. It is highly vascular gland, weight about 25 gram. It is resembles a butterfly in shape. This is the structure of the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is present here in front of neck. Then the microscopic structure of the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland composed of over a million of cluster follicles. These follicles are spherical in shape and consist of epithelium cells surrounding a central mass, also called colloid. This secrete and store colloid, also called sticky protein material. Here is parafollicular cells, also called C cells, which is secrete the hormone calcitonin. This is the microscopic structure of the thyroid gland. This is the parafollicular cells in thyroid gland. These are the follicle cells. These are follicle cells with colloid. These are the blood vessels, and these are the cuboidal epithelium follicular cell, and this space is in interlobular connective tissue. Then regulation of secretion. Then we do exercise, stress, malnutrition, low blood glucose and sleep. Then they all are stimulate hypothalamus. Then hypothalamus secrete thyrotropin releasing hormone TRH. Then these thyrotropin releasing hormone also act on anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Then these anterior lobe of pituitary gland secrete thyroid stimulating hormone TSH. Then these TSH also act on or stimulate thyroid gland for further secrete thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T4. Then the blood, then raised blood level of T3 and T4. Most of the T3 and T4 are used by most body cells. Then after that, lowered blood level of T3 and T4, there is negative feedback mechanism is going on. That when lowered level of T3 and T4 in blood, they also stimulate the hypothalamus for further secretion of the hormone. This is the negative feedback regulation of the secretion of thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Pharmacological action of thyroid hormone. In metabolic function, first is carbohydrate metabolism, increase glycogenolysis. Second, increase gluconeogenesis. Third one is increase glucose absorption from GIT, increase glycolysis. On protein metabolism, the pharmacological action is increase protein catabolism. On fat metabolism, also increase mobilizing of fat and oxidation of fatty acid. Then on BMR, basal metabolic rate, T3 and T4 increase BMR by increasing cellular metabolism. Temperature regulation. On growth, increase growth. On GIT, growth thyroid hormone cause appetite and food intake, rate of secretion of digestive juice, hypothyroidism, constipation is occur, mortality of GIT, diarrhea often result in hyperthyroidism on CVS, enhance cardiac activity and also increase the cardiac output and also increases heart rate and contractility in CVS. On nervous system, hyperthyroidism cause anxiety, nervousness, excitement, and on skeletal muscles, muscles are weak and flabby in myxedema. Okay. Then this is the differences between the hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. First point in hyperthyroidism, increase basal metabolic rate and decrease basal metabolic rate in hypothyroidism. Weight loss and good appetite. Then in hypothyroidism, weight gain and anorexia. In hyperthyroidism, anxiety, physical restlessness, mental excitability. In hypothyroidism, depression, psychosis, mental slowness, and lethargy. When increases T3 and T4 secretion, hair loss, and decreases T3 and T4 secretion, dry skin, brittle hair. Then increases secretion, cause tachycardia and palpitation, and decreases secretion causes bradycardia. Warm sweaty skin, heat tolerance, dry cool skin prone to hypothermia. Hyperthyroidism cause diarrhea when increased T3 and T4 secretion, and constipation in hypothyroidism. This is the differences between the hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Biosynthesis of thyroid. Thyroid cellular mechanism. When receptor is located on the surface of the thyroid cell, here is blood vessels are present. This is the follicular cell present on the thyroid gland, and here is the colloid portion of the thyroid gland. Here the symporter also present. The name of this symporter is sodium iodide symporter. The name of first symporter is sodium iodide symporter, then second is sodium potassium symporter, then other symporters are also present on the thyroid gland and the surface of the thyroid gland. First step of synthesis of thyroid hormone is iodide uptake, oxidation and iodination, then coupling, storage and release, and conversion of T3 and T4. When iodide uptake, body content of iodide in body is 30 to 50 mg. Iodide concentration in blood is low. Thyroid cell have active transport process. Sodium iodide symporter. Sodium iodide symporter cause increase concentration of ions. Dropping is stimulated by thyroid stimulating hormone to exceed a gradient 100 folds. Oxidation and iodination. Dropped iodide is carried across apical membrane by pendrin. This is oxidized by thyroid peroxidase to iodinium ion with hydrogen peroxide H2O2. This form of iodine combine with thyroglobulin and form MIT-DIT. Then coupling process. The pair of iodinated tyrosyl residue couple together to form T3 and T4. Normally, more T3 is formed than T4, but in iodine deficiency increase MIT and T3. Storage and release of thyroid hormone. Thyroglobulin with iodinated tyrosyl is taken back to cell by iodocytosis and broken down by isosomal protease. Then T3 and T4 are released into circulation, but MIT and DIT are reutilized. Then conversion of T3 and T4 in kidney and liver. Coupling of MIT or DIT. This structure are for coupling. MIT, here is DIT. They are coupled together to form T3 triiodothyronine. The coupling of monoiodotyrosine, tyrosine and triiodotyrosine to produce triiodotyrosine. Antithyroid drugs. Classification: inhibit hormone synthesis. Antithyroid drugs. First is propylthiouracil, methimazole, carbimazole. Second, inhibit iodide uptake, trapping. Ionic inhibitors. First drug is thiocyanate, perchlorates and nitrates. Inhibit hormones release. First is iodine, iodide, sodium and potassium, and inorganic iodide. Destroy thyroid tissue. Radioactive iodine. First is I-123, second I-125, and last is I-131. Then antithyroid hormone mechanism of action. Thioamides anti-thyroid drug. Decrease hormone synthesis. Mechanism of action. Thyroid bind to thyroid peroxidase and present oxidation of iodide, which thereby in presence of peroxidase convert S2O2 and iodide is converted into iodine. Iodination of tyrosine residue in thyroglobulin. Decrease coupling of iodotyrosine residue to form T3 and T4. Thioamide don't interfere with trapping of iodine and don't modify the action of T3 and T4 at peripheral tissue. Then adverse effect of the thioamide: hypothyroidism and goiter due to overtreatment. Then GI intolerance, skin rashes, joints pain. In ionic inhibitors, decrease iodine trapping by affecting sodium and iodide importer. Iodine or iodide. Iodine is constituent of thyroid hormone. Then last is uses of the antithyroid hormone. Antithyroid drugs control thyrotoxicosis in Graves' disease. Thank you.